Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see the second part of the plane coordinate geometry in which we are going to study the distance formula. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Gholam. See, what is meant by locus? Locus is a set of points satisfying some geometrical condition or conditions is called locus. For example, straight line. Straight line is also locus. Straight line is a locus of points such that the slope of every segment joining to distinct points on the locus is same. That set of locus we call it as a straight line. Circle is also locus. Okay, circle is a set of points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. That fixed distance we call it as a radius and fixed point is called as center of the circle. Means locus is a set of points satisfying some geometrical condition or conditions is called locus. How we can write the locus? We write locus as L, means locus is equal to point and points are satisfying some geometrical conditions. Okay, then equation of locus is an algebraic relation between the coordinates x and y of any point to the locus satisfying the given geometrical condition or conditions is called equation of locus. For example, what is the equation of straight line? General equation of straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That equation represents straight line. Okay, then circle. Circle whose center at origin, the equation of such circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. These are the geometrical condition which represent that set of points or locus. Okay, means equation of locus is an algebraic relation between the coordinates x and y of any point to the locus satisfying the given geometrical condition or conditions is called equation of locus. In previous video, I have explained some basic concept regarding ordinates, abscissa, x-axis, y-axis, quadrant, how to locate the point on that axis, x and y axis, how to represent that point on that 2D plane. Okay, that with the help of that, here we can express the given sentence into the form of equation. The ordinates of P is 5, whose equation we can write down y is equal to 5. The ordinates of P exceeds 5 times its abscissa by 9. How we can write? This is in the equation form y is equal to 5x plus 9. Means ordinates is y, which is equal to x is 5 times its abscissa, means 5x plus 9. The sum of coordinates of P is 15, means x plus y is equal to 15. Then sum of coordinates of P is less than 10. How we can write? X plus y less than 10. Sum of the square of the coordinates is 25, means we can write x square plus y square is equal to 25. These are the sum of the example. Then distance formula. Distance formula is the distance between two general points with coordinates a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. Here we try to prove the distance between the 2 points with the help of Pythagoras theorem. For example, there is one line AB. A coordinates are x1 y1, b coordinates are x2 y2. Now we want to find out the distance between A and B if the coordinates of 2 points are given. For prove the distance between the 2 points, we use the Pythagoras theorem. For this is point A and this is point B. Point A coordinates are x1, y1 and point B coordinates are x2, y2. We draw the AM and BN perpendicular to the x-axis. Okay, we draw AM and BN perpendicular to x-axis and also AC perpendicular to BN. Okay, now in previous video I told that x1 y1 means x1 is the distance of this A point, horizontal distance of this A point from the y-axis, that is x1. This is intersection of x and y axis, means this is O, origin. OM is x1. Then y1 is also distance of this point from x-axis along y-axis, that is this is y1. Okay. Then x2 is means B coordinate are x2, y2, means x2 is the distance of this B, horizontal distance of this B from y axis. That is, this is x2. Okay, ON is x2. Then y2 is the distance of this point B from x-axis, vertical distance along y-axis, means this is y2. Clear? x1 is OM, x2 is ON, BN is y2 and CN is y1. Clear? Now we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. For using the Pythagoras theorem, we require this AC and BC. Now we know OM and ON. We can find out AC. AC will be x2 minus x1. And what will be the BC? See, we know the BN and CN. We can easily find out BC. BC will be y2 minus y1. As we know the base and height of this right angle triangle, we can find out easily AB. Okay, using the Pythagoras theorem. If we apply the Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle ACB, then we can say that AB is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Right? AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This is a Pythagoras theorem. Now you know AC is x2 minus x1 and BC is y2 minus y1. Then we can write that AB is equal to square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This is the distance between the 2 points whose coordinates we know, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now we are going to solve one problem. Find the distance between the point P1 minus 3 and Q5, 7. See, distance of PQ is equal to square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. We know x1, y1 and x2, y2. x1 is 1, y1 is minus 3, x2 is 5, y2 is 7. Now x2 is 5 minus x1 is 1 bracket square plus y2 is 7 minus 3 bracket square. Now this minus will be plus, means 5 minus 1, that is 4 square. 4 square is 16. Then 7 minus plus 7 plus 3, that is 10 square is 100. 100 plus 16 is 116. Then we can simplify and write down that 2 square root 29 is the distance between the point A and B whose coordinates are 1 minus 3 and 5, 7. Now another example, find the distance between the point 4 minus 7 and minus 1, 5. See, 4 minus 7 is x1, y1, minus 1, 5 is x2, y2. We know x1, y1, x2, y2. We can easily find out the distance between the 2 points by using the distance formula. Distance formula is square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now putting the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2, we will get the distance between the 2 points as a 13 unit. Okay, this is the distance formula. Thank you.